Today we are having discussion about mental health education should be given in school and colleges. So, in my opinion, uh, mental health issues are a major issue that all students are facing in their daily life. uh, they are having anger issues, they get frustrated on little things, or they don't talk to elders in right way, they misbehave because of we can say because of social media, they get influenced and got spoiled. In my opinion, I think that education should be given in school and college. Mental education. Uh, it also help to educator also for helping educator also for helping them for better experience themselves also, like they also get known how mental stress should be controlled, how our emotions should be controlled. Also, they are teaching someone, so they also got to know how it is work.
I totally agree with Saransh. I think mental education is important, like physical education. School and colleges have to add in schools we has to learn about have to learn about physical personality development. Actually, it's personality development. Uh, we have to learn about also have school and college also have to teach about mental how to deal with mental stress exam while students having exam they have very lots of stress. Schools and colleges should be aware about that mental health is also important like physical health. What's your opinion Mohit?
So coming on my opinion, so I totally agree on both of you that for especially for today's generation, mental health situation and its consequences have to face uh, at very much cost. So in this, that our education system fault, there is our education system fault as well as our government and many others. So today's generation are not talkative to their elders or their parents. They open up with their friends, but at that at that situation, they that age is also matters where they they cannot apply 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 their ideas to solve their problems. And our school and colleges, there should be one specific time or one period to deal with this. That's it.
So I think schools and colleges are include the syllabus of mental health in their curriculum. But it has some disadvantages also. If they can approve for the mental health syllabus, but if they can't take lectures on that or a proper mentor for the giving lectures, then students can take misuse of that information. So it is a disadvantage. But think about my college. So in my college, I have one subject that is psychology. So they can teach us all the norms of that, and they can help us to proper mental.
In my opinion, we says that people should have to agree with the schools that they have to means like parents, children's parents who like have to be aware about their children's behavior, that what are they behaving like with elders, with their friends also, because it's like they are always like in their own world, that it cannot be like it cannot be like that if we are in that state of just think that what childhood that we have gone through, but but these children can't get that childhood from their norms, that because of the social media hectics and other kind of unnecessary things, and because of these unnecessary things children have their stress issues, anger issues, as much as they are like irrelevant to that, it is irrelevant to their childhood mind, because it's not helpful for them. So that's why I suggest that people should it is necessary that like schools should be giving the mental health education to the childrens.
Okay, I agree with you, but I think maybe it is not so easy because teachers already teaches a lot of things, and this might be so load on teachers and curriculum. That's why it is difficult to think about it, and as well as there is enough of workers which really which might not really think really knows about mental health problem. So that's
Mental health education plays a crucial role in school and colleges. I think every college and school have to add the health education in their curriculum, but the
Wait, may I talk, sir? Continue.
but school and colleges do not add the subject in their curriculum. एक मिनट.
Start करें.
Mental health education plays a crucial role in students' life. In my opinion, all